Kia ora, and welcome to Room 1 Live. I'm Shanice Fair. And I'm Ari Dijon. Our story today is on a group of students exploring the Pay It Forward movement.
What is Pay It Forward? Bring the story, shall know.
Pay It Forward is about making a positive difference in other people's lives.
It's about doing something nice for someone else.
It can be big or small. Everyone needs to pick me up once in a while, and by doing something nice, it makes people feel good about themselves. Don't forget about how it makes you feel. Last week, Room 1 was given a task of doing something nice for someone else other than themselves, and so they did. Mum, I made you some tea. Thank you. Chocolate for sale, chocolate for sale. Who wants some chocolate? Hey, Isabel, what are you doing? Oh, well, I'm trying to sell chocolate, but no one wants to buy any. Can I help? Sure. Chocolate for sale, chocolate for sale. Who wants some chocolate? Hello, what are you selling over there? Chocolate. How much? $2.50. Here you go. Hi, Olivia. Mom's going to give you this for only half of your homework. Why? Why do I have to do my homework? If you do your homework, we can go out and play. Fine. First letter stand. Last letter stand. Cat. C-A-T. A third. Now we can go out and play. So what are you making, Xavier?
I'm just making some eggs benedict for Mum. What are you making, Jack?
I'll make some pancakes with maple syrup and banana.
Sounds delicious. I'm excited, Jack. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Come on, wake up.
Make some pancakes with maple syrup and banana. Ding dong. Hello, I'm Rebecca from next door. I heard you had a dog. Yeah, I do. Would you like me to walk it for you? That sounds lovely. How much do you charge? I'm not giving charge at all. Oh, thanks. That's so nice. This is Rover. Mom, I go to Mr. and Mrs. Jones's house to raise them. Ding dong. Hi, Laura. Come in. Hi, thank you. Would you like me to read you? Yes, Mr. Jones in the living room. Once upon a time.
Oh, what a lovely story. Thank you, Laura.
Thank you. I should make some cookies for my friends. Don't really like that. I have to put them in the oven. Hi guys, I made you some cookies. Oh, thanks. You're welcome. What are you doing? I'm doing the dishes for you. Thank you. No problem. Hi, Rio. How did it make you feel when you made your mom a cup of tea? It made me feel happy. How do you think it made her feel? I think it made her feel really appreciated because she does all the hard work around the house. Hi, Holly. How did it make you feel when you helped your friend sell chocolate? I think it made me feel really be happy because I could see that she needed some help selling.
How do you think she felt?
I think she felt really good at the end of it because she did end up selling.
Hi, Libby. How did it make you feel when you helped your sister with spelling?
It made me feel good because she did it with someone else and it was when this going
How do you think it made her feel?
appreciate.
Hi, Eloise. How did it make you feel when you walked her next to neighbor's dog?
It made me feel good to walk the dog without charging her.
How do you think she felt?
I'm sure she appreciated it because she was always busy doing jobs around her house.
Hi, Laura. How did it make you feel when you read to your neighbor?
I felt happy and glad because I don't get any visitors nowadays.
How do you think it made them feel?
I think they felt thankful because they had someone to give their time read to them.
Hi, David. Jack. How did it make you feel when you made breakfast for your parents?
We felt good because usually they have to get up early to make us breakfast, so we decided to change it.
How do you think they felt?
Appreciative and thankful and surprised because they usually do it for us.
Hi, Caitlin. How did it make you feel when you made cookies for your friends?
Good because they've been really nice to me and I thought they developed them.
How do you think it made them feel?
I'm thankful because I made them cookies without them asking me.
Hi, Joanne. How did it make you feel when you did your dishes for your dad?
Well, I felt great afterwards because he usually does the work around the house, so I decided to take over.
How do you think he felt?
Great and thankful.
As you can see, by doing something nice for someone else other than yourself, it makes you more aware of how you make a positive impact on someone else's life. There you have it. Now back to Ari and Trini.
Wow, looks like some great things happening out there.
Yes, indeed. Everyone needs a bit of inspiration to get started. So we end our story with a little something to get you into and look forward. Number 1.
Our usual manners like saying please and thank you more often.
Number 2.
Excuse me.
Number 3.
Say I'm sorry.
Number 4.
You can count on me.
Number 5.
Isn't it great to be different?
Number 6.
You're a fabulous, fantastic friend.
Number 7.
Skills.
Number 8.
Go for it.
Number 9.
Many feet.
Number 10.
Shot, bro.
Number 11.
Be positive.
Number 12.
Do you want to join our group?
Number 13.
Surprise.
Number 14.
Bless your little cotton sock.
Number 15.
Want a chip, bro? No. Get someone to like you look awesome today.
Number 17.
You're the ball. Never give up.
Number 19.
Turn that frown upside down.
Number 20.
Close.
Number 21.
Everything is gonna be okay.
Number 22.
You're so awesome. I named my dog after you. No, wait, that could hurt someone's feelings. I named my invite after you.
Number 23.
YOLO.
Number 24.
I love you. The world is a better place with you in it.
Number 26.
I forgive you.
Number 27.
Let's do a happy dance. Oh, God.
Con los terroristas.